Why Business Together ShareSpace? Have you already heard about Business Together ShareSpace? Would you like to know more about how organization can use it and the efficiency it brings? First, the basics. Business Together ShareSpace is a social collaborative platform that you can customize to suit your own needs. ShareSpace launched in both the French and international markets, allowing us to showcase the full range of services and skills from Orange, from the setup, technical and functional support, through to the running of a customer ShareSpace environment. What does ShareSpace bring to our customers? With our customer, we build the collaborative platform to answer many potential and different use cases, according to their needs and business objectives. From a simple enterprise social network to an interactive and modern intranet, but this is only the tip of the iceberg. It can also be used as a resource center or an internal support center. ShareSpace delivers collaborative tools to coordinate transversal teams, breaking silos and fostering a spirit of self-help and community participation. ShareSpace provides spaces where you can bring together a network of customers or a network of partners. For instance, MyKiamo is an external platform where Connecteo, a software company, shares information with its partners and customers, aligning them to their product roadmap and portfolio strategy. And there's more. In the public sector, you can also imagine a use case aimed at any public community, where an elected representative can set up an online poll very quickly to optimize a service through feedback, to register people for local activity and promote association in the neighborhood, or to simply publish information that people need in their daily lives. Anyone involved in education can use ShareSpace to communicate and appeal to those already using social tools like the younger generations. MOOC publication and registration, online help for the children having difficulties at school, program sharing between teachers, publication of the latest minutes of the school council, or a simple reminder for the parent-teacher meeting, the list goes on. Let's turn our attention to healthcare. Research teams can share their studies and findings globally and collaborate faster on innovation, bringing all the brain power together in one place. Patients and families can get information and raise questions to others experiencing similar situations, using help and support communities. And with connected objects, you can share data in the right group to show a myriad of information like medical imaging, prescription, pulse rate, sleep or sport activities with your community of practitioners. With all this content, you can collaborate, give your feedback, share it, describe it, comment it, or add a new action. The only limit of the amount of interaction is you. Business Together ShareSpace is a solution for any sector and any company size, SMB or MNC. We work by listening, interacting and responding with a different line of business, like human resources, marketing, sales, C-level communities, and those responsible for corporate communications. ShareSpace is a business value proposition, not an IT proposition. ShareSpace is based on the application from Jive, a recognized leader in the enterprise social network market space. With ShareSpace, we really promote the customization and personalization of the software so that it has the look and feel of the company using it, not a third party. This customization is possible in several ways. We select the most appropriate service model that fits the customer need. A rich API catalog allows us to provide a simple and flexible interface to our customer application and communication environment. Next, the look and feel of the platform can follow the customer corporate scheme and branding. It looks like the customer developed it, which is very important for internal adoption. Finally, and most importantly, we support our customers in the definition of their use cases, in the user adoption, and even in the community management of the social network. All our customers are different. Business Together ShareSpace recognizes this, and that brings our strengths, our proficiencies, and the full range of services we offer to provide a unique and matched customer journey and support model to support our customers in their own digital and workplace transformation.